But we actually nailed it our first try.
One go.
How much of your diet and fitness do you contribute to your fertility and success in getting pregnant? I don't have any studies to back it up. Like, we never got tested before we started trying to know if we were fertile or not.
And honestly, I've never tried to have a baby before this. So like when my diet was crappier, I wasn't trying to have a kid then. So I don't know if I was fertile or not.
But I don't know if we ever told you guys this story, but we actually nailed it our first try.
one go. And so probably had to do something with our
and we were like,
health. I don't know.
We're getting into some of the details here, but it's funny, like right in the middle of it, we were like, no, we were actually talking like, do we want to do this? Do we not want to do this? And we're just like, let's go for it. And we figured out when we worked it back that was actually when Kyla was conceived. Yeah. Jessica's stepdad calls me Fast Freddy
and Fertile Myrtle. And
but,
I don't see how your fertility wouldn't be affected by your diet.
Exactly.
Because everything about your health is affected by your diet. So I do think that it has a good part. When you think of like planting fruits and vegetables or something, if you have really healthy soil, you're going to have really healthy
That's a good analogy.
plants. So I feel like the best environment for a baby is going to be a really healthy body. So
and then
you can make yourself the most fit and healthy possible before having kids.
And so then take that a step further, how to have an awesome healthy pregnancy. Follow what she did.
I have a program.
So Live Lean Pregnancy, we'll link that down below. Like if you guys are thinking of getting pregnant, or you already are pregnant, or you have a sister or brother, whoever, like that's the program that Jessica used, and she did amazing.
And most people think pregnancy is a time to just like forget your diet, forget about working out, but no, that's not how I treated it.
Feeding your kid during that time, you're growing a body inside yourself. But anyway, you did an awesome job, and I'm so proud to be part of that.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be